Good day. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate the angles of a triangle using trig ratio. Just like the previous video, where the trig ratio is the ratio between the angles. So for example, sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So we write that as so. Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent theta is opposite over adjacent, is called TOA. So in fact, trig ratio is the SO-CA-TOA. To find the angles, however, you need to use this function. You need to find sine inverse, cosine inverse, and tangent inverse. To do that, look at your calculator. On top of the sine theta is the sine inverse. To do that, you need to press the shift button. Shift sine theta will give you sine inverse. Shift cosine theta will give you cosine inverse, and shift tangent theta give you tangent inverse. If you can find it, let's go. Okay, so now we shall look at two examples. First, you are going to find angle A, and then second one, you find angle X. So angle A, the same procedure apply. So you have to first label your triangle. Okay, so for example, A is the angle, 12 is the opposite to the angle, so we label 12 as O. 17 is the hypotenuse because it is the longer side and it is found opposite the 90 degrees. So you have O and H, you look for which formula to use, and in this case you should use the SO or the sine formula. So you write sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Next step, you're going to substitute the numbers. Instead of theta, you're going to put sine of the angle, sine A equals to, the opposite is going to be 12, okay? And the hypotenuse is 17. Now is the crucial part. To find angle A, you need to calculate the angle first. Sine A, use the calculator. 12 over 17 is going to be 0.7059. Now, to get A, you have to put sine inverse of 0.7059. Now, take out your calculator, press shift sine, you get sine inverse, bracket 0.7059, and the answer will appear, and the answer will appear as 44.9 degrees. Correct? Okay, we should do one more so you'll be more confident now. Okay, now to find angle X, you have to label the sides first. So 6 will be your opposite the angle, and 5 is your adjacent because it's next to the angle. Okay, this is 90 degrees. So now to calculate your angle X, you have to use O and A. O and A, you use the TOA. So tangent is the correct formula. Tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. Now substitute the value. Theta is your angle, so tangent X equals to opposite, which is 6, and your adjacent is going to be 5. So tangent X, use your calculator, 6 over 5 is 1.2. Okay, so now you have to find X. So X equals to tangent inverse. If the tangent goes over that side, 1.2. So use your calculator and put shift tangent theta. You get tangent inverse and put 1.2 in there. Chuck in your calculator and the answer is going to be 50.2 degrees. So that is how you calculate angles using the trig ratio method. So have a good day everyone, and see you in the next one.